Spice, whoa, Wakanda forever, yeah. Black Panther respect official, yeah. Black race is unstoppable, yeah. I mean, I must say it's my favorite movie for the year. And I mean, it's also a theme that represents me, myself, as a black woman. And throughout the year, I've been called by the color of my skin. And I think that's really what pushed me to come out and represent, to let them know that I love my skin. I love the color that I'm in. I'm proud to be black.
You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, me still up on the Spice situation. But me kind of figure out everything. And me I gonna show you why this is a publicity stunt. You hear that from Spice mouth. She proud to be black. You see me? Spice have a mixtape coming up. You see me? And Spice have a song called Black Hypocrisy on that mixtape, which she preview. Me have the exclusive preview for Uno. You see me? But people, check it out.
Due to me strong melanin, proud of me color, love the skin that I'm in. Gun racism, demolish colorism. But the things when me I go say, you might not even love me back. I get hate from my own race, yes, that's a fact. Cause the same black people, them say I'm too black. And if you bleach out your skin, them same one come a chat. Well, since you say that I'm too black for you, I please you, do I look how you want me to?
Say yes, people, that's Spice on the track. And me feel like me figure out everything what I go on now. But people, this is not confirmed. But Spice, when me can confirm, common sense can confirm that. Spice, I do all of this just for a publicity stunt. Just for attention. Then Spice just probably approve a point. I say, yo, look here. Everybody always a trouble me about my complexion. So me I go change my complexion now and see if them out talk. Which she already knows say them a go talk, but she just do it for prove a point. And it's not necessarily her skin she change. People when me analyze but the picture, no. Somebody can just black last week and this week brown. Yes, we have the technology and yes, we have everything can do it, but Spice now go black this week and then brown next week. Me no believe so. So people, you see the performance and the interview when we play in at the beginning of the video, that was from this year Reggae Some Fest. And if you remember, Spice got on stage as the whole black team and everything. It a come off of the Wakanda team. See me? You remember that big movie there in the summer of this year? You see me? Wakanda. Yeah. I know Wakanda the movie name, the movie name Black Panther. You see me? So she got on stage in the whole team there and support black people. So people, why Spice would have forward but no, couple months after, like 3-4 months after, and change her skin complexion? She just do this for attention. I remember, the album she promote, well, it's not an album because it's a mixtape. You don't know, say Spice not really getting an album because of the whole VP situation. You see me? She tied in our contract with VP Records and them not give her no album. But that's our next topic. You see me? The mixtape where she released this Friday, named Captured. And the song where she promote heavily on it, named Black Hypocrisy. Put 2 and 2 together, no man, and get 4. You can't add. Come on, man, a simple maths that. May I go play more of the Black Hypocrisy song?
Now I'm gonna see if you're gonna say I'm too brown for you. Or do I look pretty to you? Black people hypocrisy. Leave the girls them with low self-esteem. Who no go on like say you have to brown for pretty. Fuck the whole of them dirty iniquity. This a black people hypocrisy. Leave the girls them with low self-esteem. I'm black and beautiful, I know I'm pretty.
So people, you can't deny the fact that that is a die-hearted black song where defend black people. It's like the song depicts everything where Spice do in the opposite. And yeah, tell me said that is not a publicity stunt. Come on, man. Spice marketing team is a genius. Them deserve an award. You see me? Them are going good. And people, Spice, they go up on live today. Me don't post the link for the entire live. But if you don't want, you can go over Dancehall IG channel. Me I go post that link there in the description. Yeah man, I'm a brother. So you can go over there and go watch the full live. But me I go take out a little part of the live where it kinda interested. So here goes.
My complexion a bit. So I'm just pleasing them. They asked for it, so I'm giving it to them. That's basically what it's about. And I also released a song. It's called Black Hypocrisy. It's a part of my mixtape. The project that I'm working on is called Captured. And that's one of the songs from the mixtape. It's called Black Hypocrisy. And it's also out and available right now. So it's on all platforms. So you can go on Apple Music right now and get the song. And I think the song will explain more to you why I have decided to go this route.
Exactly. And having heard the song...
Right, so basically me delete all of the pictures them and videos because of this new project that I'm working on. I really wanted people to gravitate solely to this project that I'm working on called Captured. And that's really why I deleted all of the other, you know, performances, and I never want a distraction. So that's really why I deleted it. We should have a question. It's not moving, Rebel. Work with it, work with it, work with it. My team is here with me now. Big up Dancing Rebel. Big up TC. Pretty. Welcome to the gang. So you know, say Dancing Rebel and Nutmeg. And you know, say TC a cinnamon. And you know, pretty come in, so she name Vanilla. A porridge me a make.
Somebody say, can you please remove the shades?
Can you remove the shades? Sure, I can do that. My eye them red as usual, but I mean, may I take it off soon? We have to stay tuned. What's the question? I know.
So people, when you talk the truth, when you want a clearer answer than that, the people them ask say, yo, Spice, remove the shades now. And Spice just take time and tilt it up little and just drop it back. People, don't make this trick, you know. If you notice, she did it in full black. Full black, so you can't really see her skin. I'll know when you really see her skin on a live event like that. Because pretty this, you see me? When she take the picture, that's a picture. It can be photoshopped. It can be, yo, me know some art designer them bad pan Photoshop. Yo, them can make me lay down with the Queen of England and nobody can tell him say that are not Chaddy and the Queen of England. You see me? And then you have some next makeup artists where them bad. Them can, yo, you know what show man and see pass some people face a bag of things go on, and so a makeup artist deal with it, you know. You see me? So it no convince me. It don't convince me. And then she got it live in a full black suit. And if we did watch the morning show this morning, more than post one video where she did do a Canada. You see me? She perform a Canada. And she in a one long Catwoman suit. Where look like say a one Halloween party she a go. Me no know. But that's a next sign where she will say, yo, she just a cover up her body. So me just feel say she do this now today and Monday. So people are gonna talk Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday she a drop the bad song them and the bad mixtape. And from the sound I captured, it sound like say it a go have a lot of one drop beat in there. Because pre-this again, people always a tell Spice, you know say you know the catalog. Spice, you know say you have too much skin out tune and dash out tune. Spice, you know say if them fi call you for DJ for the president, or not necessarily the president but the prime minister, or you can't go in one church go DJ, cause we are go tell them say skin out me boom boom or something like that. No, you see me? So I feel like say this are the whole change where Spice a try make, because pre, you know, them always a compare she with the great Mariana, aka Lady Saw. And listen now, Lady Saw, before Lady Saw turned Christian, Lady Saw could have go perform in a church. The greatest of greats, no care how great them be, them have the catalog there where them can perform in a one church or for a decent crowd. I know who me I call decent crowd, them uptight people. Missy Bounty Killer, the big bad Ragni Price, the Ground Godzilla, Warlord perform in a church and it never flop, and the man perform accordingly. You see me? He no go and diss himself or anything. But people, that are my view. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. You feel like you're fooling this Chaddy Murray attack? Put it in the comment section. You have a next theory? Put it in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and give it a thumbs up, no man. People, I'm out. Thanks for watching.
Now I'm gonna see if you gonna